Mobile gamers, Realme has something in store for you. This is the Realme Narzo 30A and is apparently crafted for no-nonsense gaming. Hi, my name is Colin and this is going to be our unboxing and first look at Realme's latest smartphone for hashtag Limitless Gaming. But before we go on with that, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so because we're making more and more videos for you guys. Simply hit the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell right beside it so you know when we've come up with a new video. The Narzo line is a relatively new line from Realme. The aim, it seems, is to create amazing bang-for-buck smartphones that fit a younger and wider demographic. This includes stripping the phone away with some of the lofty glitz and glamour of their main line and sticking to the bare essentials that provide excellent performance for its price point. Now, to further differentiate the Narzo line from the rest of the Realme lines, this 2021 they opted to do away with the traditional Realme yellow and instead use something a little bit cooler, a little bit bluer in their packaging. The traditional box setup is also quite different this time around, with a sleeve that opens up to the phone itself directly. This reduction in package makes the Narzo 30A, their latest release, a bit slimmer than its predecessor's packaging. This direction could very well help reduce the production costs, and such savings could be passed on to their intended consumer. If not that, at the very least, it does reduce the carbon footprint of Realme because of less packaging usage. Inside the main box, you have a slim cardboard pouch that says, "Feel the power." An indication of what the Narzo line intends itself to be. And inside you can find various pamphlets, quick guides, and the SIM ejector tool as well. Beneath that, you'll find a large charging block and a USB Type-C cord. Similar to Realme, the Narzo line does not have any earphones out of the box. But with Realme's wide range of AIoT products, it's easy to choose the right headset for you. Now, just because the Narzo line is aimed towards those who are a little bit more budget conscious, it doesn't mean that Realme will abandon design as a focal element. The Narzo 30A, even being a possibly entry-level offering, does not look in any way basic. The design is pretty amazing. The back cover gives us this Virgil Abloh off-white-ish diagonal stripe running along the lower part of its rear cover. Similar to the Narzo 20, the Narzo 30A has a square camera configuration that houses dual cameras instead of the usual triple or quadruple camera setup. This is a 13-megapixel main shooter and a 2-megapixel black and white camera. There's also a fast fingerprint scanner found at the rear, comfortably nestled at the center position. Turning the phone over, you're greeted with a large 6.5-inch HD IPS LCD screen with a small dewdrop notch that houses an 8-megapixel wide selfie camera. So you still have your photo essentials if you need them. The main draw of the Narzo 30A is its gaming prowess. Equipped with the MediaTek Helio G85, the Narzo 30A also draws upon the same reliable chipset that its older brother has. The Narzo 30A is also equipped with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal memory, expandable to 256. The MediaTek Helio G85, being an entry-level gaming-focused chipset, should give you access to today's most played games like Mobile Legends Bang Bang, League of Legends Wild Rift, Call of Duty Mobile, and Asphalt 9. For more demanding titles like say Genshin Impact, we actually had to clock the graphic settings to its lowest options just for us to be able to play the game decently. Quite expected. However, most MOBAs and FPS games run smoothly on the Narzo 30A. League of Legends Wild Rift in particular is superbly optimized for this phone. We were running the game at high to ultra high graphic settings and found very little hiccups. Similar to our Narzo 20 experience, the Realme Narzo 30A seems like another winner from Realme. Remember that the Narzo line is really focused on their gaming sub-segment, and that means creating a phone that can run your favorite games decently without the need to spend a lot on your smartphones. While we currently have no idea what the price of the Narzo 30A is, we expect this to be less than that of the Narzo 20. It is reported that the Narzo 30A can be upgraded to the latest Realme UI 2.0 running on Android 11. This will give you more customizability down the road, being able to customize the font, icons, and quick access floating windows. Out of the box though, the Narzo 30A uses realme UI 1.0 running on Android 10. Now, because the Narzo 30A is geared towards mobile gamers, they opted to equip this with a whopping 6,000 mAh capacity battery with 18 watts of fast charging to boot. This makes the Narzo 30A a #Limitless Gaming Monster in our humble opinion. Similar to our Narzo 20 experience, the realme Narzo 30A seems like another winner from Realme. And that's it for unboxing and our first look at the realme Narzo 30A. What do you guys think? Is this something that you might be considering, especially if the price is lower than that of the realme Narzo 20, which is around 7,990 pesos if I'm not mistaken. Now, as of this recording, we actually have no idea what the price of the realme Narzo 30A is, but we will know on March 25 when it officially launches here in the Philippines. So if you want more stories on the realme Narzo 30A, better stay tuned to Ungeek. Now guys, remember, the Narzo line is strictly a digital distribution only, meaning you cannot buy this on the physical stores from Realme and their official distributors as well. You have to go online to purchase this if you want one, and that means a lot of online promos and gimmicks from Realme, especially on their day one launch or their pre-order launch date. So better stay tuned to all of our stories for this. And with that guys, my name is Colin, and if you like this video, do give us a thumbs up and share this video to your friends, to your family, and to those who you feel might benefit from watching this video. Watch out as well for our first impression article, which should be up on ungeek.ph within the day. That being said, I will see you guys on the next one. Guys, please keep safe, keep healthy, and as always, keep on gaming. Bye-bye.